Hi, I am from Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you how to combine screenshots into one image. If you've taken multiple screenshots and want to merge them into a single, clean image, this guide will help you do just that. Step 1. Go to the link in the description. This will take you to the Photor app. It's a free and easy-to-use online editor that helps you combine images quickly. Once you're there, click on Combine Images and sign in to start. Step 2. Click Add Photos to upload your screenshots into the editor. You can drag and adjust the position of each screenshot however you like. In the Layout section, explore different grid options to style your image the way you want. Step 3. When you're happy with the arrangement, click Download at the top. Choose your preferred file type, like JPG or PNG. Then hit the Download button again to save the combined image to your computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.